Hello friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Techno Winners. In this particular video we are going to discuss about the retaining walls. What is a retaining wall? There is something that retains or holds soil or any other material. Retaining walls are vertical or near vertical structures, just as shown in this particular picture. Why we need a retaining wall? Every soil got a natural slope, just like what is shown in this figure. This is the natural slope and this is the angle of the natural slope, and the angle is called angle of repose. This natural slope can retain earth or soil naturally, but retaining walls are used to retain soil when the slope goes beyond natural slope or being disturbed due to some other activities. What are the different types of retaining walls? Retaining walls are broadly classified into 3 or 4 types, but there are a lot of miscellaneous retaining walls which are used extensively in our device for a lot of applications. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the major type of retaining walls. What are the major types of retaining wall? There are 3 major types of retaining walls. Number first, gravity retaining wall. Number second, cantilever retaining wall. Number third, counter force retaining walls. The first one is gravity retaining wall. What is gravity retaining wall? They are usually made of stone, just as shown in this particular picture, bricks, concrete, or any other material that is local available. They can be done with mortar or without mortar. This is the typical section of gravity retaining wall. It consists of a toe and a heel and also the stem. The concept of gravity retaining wall is that the total self weight of the gravity wall that counters the backfill soil pressure. That means the backfill soil pressure is countered with its own self weight, and they are designed for all the parameters like sliding, overturning, and resisting the bearing capacity load acting on the structure. The other type of retaining wall is semi-gravity retaining wall. What is semi-gravity retaining wall? Semi-gravity retaining wall is almost same as a gravity retaining wall, but in the design criteria, the combination of self weight of the retaining wall and weight of the soil above the footing is taken into consideration while designing the retaining wall, because the total load of the self weight of the retaining wall and the backfill soil in combination resist the retaining wall from failing. They use a small amount of reinforcement also in some cases. The next one is crib retaining wall system. What is crib retaining wall? It is also a gravity retaining wall system, and it is the oldest retaining wall system. It consists of cribs or cells made of timber just as shown in the particular picture, and sometimes they are made of precast concrete. It is just like this, instead of timber, precast will be used. They are also made with fiber. What is the concept of a crib retaining wall? Just go through this picture. Backfilling is done with free drainage materials or sometime earth. By doing this, we can eliminate hydrostatic pressure, allowing free flow of water. This reduces the load on the particular wall. And sometimes plants are provided to give a natural look, just as shown in this particular picture. The timber cribs can retain up to 3 to 5 meters. They are used normally in garden or landscaping, and concrete cribs are designed up to a height of 10 meter to 12 meter. The next type of retaining wall is bin retaining wall. What is bin retaining wall? Just as shown in this particular picture, bin are made with corrugated steel sheets, and they are then bolted together for getting a continuous retaining wall system. Then they are filled with crushed rock or free drainage materials, thereby reducing the hydrostatic pressure. Next is gabion retaining wall. What is a gabion retaining wall? It is a very common type that is used in these hilly areas, and they are uses galvanized or PVC coated hexagonal wire mesh, and they are factory fabricated to box cages, and the cages are filled with crushed local stone. After filling the stones, the boxes are sealed and erected at site. The cages increase the shear capacity of the rocks. Thereby they can take more loads, and this system allow a free flow of water, thereby reducing substantial hydrostatic pressure, and they don't need any heavy rigid foundation. For the gabion block, there is no need very heavy rigid foundation. The next and major type of retaining wall is cantilever retaining wall. They are basically made of reinforcement cement concrete. This is a typical drawing, consists of stem, heel and toe, and it is the most common type of retaining wall system because they are always economical for a height of around 8 to 10 meters. And the concept of a cantilever retaining wall is that the stem acts as a vertical cantilever under lateral load, earth pressure or soil. This is the stem, and the heel slab acts as a horizontal cantilever due to the load of backfilled soil over it. This is the backfilled, and this is the particular area where backfilling is done. This is a horizontal cantilever, and the stem as a vertical cantilever. The backfilled soil embeds additional stability to this structure against lateral pressure. Because this soil is coming over the base slab, and this also the weight of the soil also become a part of the design and making the structure stable. Cantilever retaining wall can be precast type or pre-stressed type depending upon the design. The next type of retaining wall is counter force retaining wall. What is counter force retaining wall? It is basically same as cantilever retaining wall, but while designing in cantilever retaining wall system, the height. If the height or more moment develop in the stem and heel will be very high, and this increase the design thickness and make the design uneconomical for economizing the structure. Vertical bracing like what is shown in this particular figure, they are provided on the backfill side. These vertical bracing are called counter fort. They are made with RCC basically. This counter fort retaining wall, they can be made with RCC and free stress concrete, or they can be also made by precast concrete. And this particular vertical bracing will be covered under the backfill, and the front face will be always elegant. Thank you very much for watching the video.